Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use CapCut. If this sounds helpful, then make sure you watch it until the end and let's get right into it. Once you open up your application of CapCut, you could see a similar interface. Now to start editing your videos on CapCut, you simply tap on this new project option right here and it's going to take you to your gallery, from where now you can select your videos or photos that you want to add. I've just added a video right here. Now I'm just going to show you the basics and the important things that you need to know while using CapCut. The first things first, if you want to remove any unwanted part from the video, you can simply tap on this edit option on the bottom left and a different panel of options will open up. Move your timeline to the place where you want to remove a particular part and then tap on split. After that, again move the timeline and tap on split again. Now this section has been removed from the other. Tap on this section and now you can tap on delete right here. Now CapCut is great for adding or editing videos for social media such as TikTok or Instagram Reels, because it has an inbuilt feature which is audio right here, and it's going to give you all of the audios that you can add and choose from. It even has different kinds of sections such as vlog, pop songs, beats, and a few more. If you scroll through this section, you can see options such as text, stickers, and the important one is overlay right here. So this overlay is very useful if you're working with a green screen. So if you have a green screen that you want to add to your photo or the video, you can easily tap on add overlay and then import the green screen. If you scroll down even further, you'll have a couple options such as effects and filters. You can also check these out and give your video a different effect. Now there are two different panels on CapCut. The one that I just showed you is a first panel, and if you tap on edit, as I previously said, a different panel opens up where you can find options such as speed to control the speed of your video, volumes, and other stuff. CapCut basically provides you everything that you need in order to edit your videos without having any issues and without having to use any other applications. Now after you're done editing the video, you can tap on this arrow and select the quality and the frame rate of the video. You can slide this slider and adjust the quality and the frame rate. After that is done, you can now tap on the arrow on the top right and export the video to your phone. So that's how you can use the app of CapCut. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to subscribe, share, and give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.